What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about me closing the H2K YouTube channel. Yes, that's right. If you haven't noticed, I am no longer the H2K channel. That's right. I am now calling it the H2K Gaming channel, and here is why. If you guys didn't know this, I post a whole bunch of different kinds of videos. Alright, so we're closing down the H2K channel and we're calling it the H2K Gaming channel. Now, why did I do that? If you guys didn't know already, I have multiple playlists. Sea of Thieves, Grand Theft Auto, It's a Puppy Life, Among Us, which makes sense, H2K Reacts, and then my game that I'm making with my brother, and then do-it-yourself builds, and then YouTuber life, cooking, Rocket League, you get it. I'm all over the place here. So I'm going to close down H2K, and basically we're turning H2K into H2K Gaming. So if you're already subscribed to this channel, you are currently subscribed to H2K the Gaming channel. So throughout the evening today, I'm going to be making a new channel called H2K Do It Yourself. Now, the reason I'm calling it H2K Do It Yourself is because today is a very special day for me, because I just bought, this is my new home. And if you guys didn't know this, I am basically a mechanical engineer without the engineering degree, but I pretty much know how to build anything and I can do anything. So in my H2K Do It Yourself, we're gonna remodel this whole house. The backyard is going to be redone. Gonna make a fence. I'm going to add a home security system. I'm going to make a YouTube studio. I'm going to incorporate a home gym. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to do all this by yourself on a low budget, because obviously this channel isn't generating any money yet and I don't have all the money in the world. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna renovate this whole house and we're gonna turn it into the ultimate YouTuber streamer house. And my girlfriend says, you know, she wants her office, she wants to be involved in the gym. And the H2K Do It Yourself channel is going to separate the H2K gaming life with the H2K Do It Yourself. I'm also involved into a lot of fitness things. I'm not kind of in shape right now, but if I make my own gym, I will definitely make a gym routine, and I'll show you guys what it takes to do it yourself. Anything. Renovate the home, and this home is just beautiful. The kitchen is beautiful. The exterior is beautiful. We're gonna take long walks. I'm gonna teach my dog a whole bunch of new tricks in the new house. And believe it or not, I've been working really hard to get my own home. And yes, I am a YouTuber for you guys, but for myself, I'm the maintenance supervisor at the Port of Montreal, and I do that full-time, and more than full-time. I'm on call almost 24/7, so it's really hard to gauge gaming and, you know, working at the port, because the phone is always my priority, because that is my life, that is my job. YouTube is more of a hobby, and it's fun for me to do YouTube. So that's the reason I started this, because I wanted to demonstrate who I was, and I wanted to be kind of a role model for whoever's interested. And I want to start with gaming. The reason I started with gaming is because I love to game, but in my little apartment right now, can't really do much. I'm stuck with this small studio here, and the drums, I don't play much drums anymore because I got a couple complaints, noise complaints about the drumming. Even if it's an electric kit, the drum set is kind of loud. The kick pedal bangs on the floor and I can't really play. So we've been really working hard on buying a house, and buying a house takes a lot of time and effort. Anyways, so we finally got approved for this house, and today I decided to make two H2K channels. So the H2K channel does not exist anymore. It is now called H2K Gaming, and the second channel, I will make it throughout the week, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. It's going to be called H2K Do It Yourself. I thought about this a lot, and I think do it yourself is going to be the right thing to do, because I have a lot more knowledge than you guys think. It goes way beyond Rocket League and gaming. I am basically an electrician and a mechanic, and I can teach you guys everything from home everything you guys can accomplish, and I hope I motivate you guys to be a better you, because I'm motivated. I mean, I'm really motivated to be a better me, be a better person, be healthy. Everything is achievable if you put your mind to it. So I just want to show you guys that, and I hope I motivate you guys to at least start your own YouTube channel, or show you guys that it doesn't take amazing skills, or you don't have to be a professional whatever to do what you love. I mean, it takes time, it takes practice, yes, it takes work and effort. No matter what you do in life, if you want to be the best at it, or if you want to be successful at whatever you're doing, you're gonna have to work hard. And I want to show you that you can work hard, but if you love what you're doing, it's not going to be work, it's going to be motivating to do what you want to do. And this home here is going to be amazing. I mean, these are the pictures of my home that I just bought, and I have so many ideas. In the basement, we're gonna make a gym. We're gonna make a beautiful gym. I mean, I have so many ideas, and it's not gonna cost much money because I will be doing everything myself. And finally, everything that I've learned throughout my career as a maintenance supervisor, or as a mechanical millwright, or as an electrician, I've hopped over different trades in my career, and I'm actually going to use all my skills and show you guys that it's not that hard to incorporate daily skills to make your living environment amazing. And anyways, if you guys are interested in being a better you, then you should definitely subscribe to my H2K do-it-yourself channel, which will be up by the end of tomorrow. I don't know when this video will be up, probably tonight, but yeah, that's my big announcement. And I mean, I have nothing to say. This home here has so much potential. I have so much land. I have over 15,000 square feet of land, and my girlfriend told me today that we got the house. So I mean, I'm excited. I currently have this neck thing going on, and I am so sore in the neck that I was supposed to make a big YouTube video. I ended up making 2 YouTube shorts because I'm a daily uploader. You guys know me. I love to upload daily, but this here is exactly what I needed. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are okay with this decision. I'm going to have 2 YouTube channels. I finally decided it's going to be H2K Gaming, and it's going to be H2K Do It Yourself. Whether it's cooking, whether it's staying in shape, whether it's building your own studio, your own gaming office, whether it's making your own hot tub. I mean, I have a lot of skills, and I'm going to show you guys every step of the way that it doesn't take geniuses or an engineering degree to do what you want to do in life. And I'm going to prove to you guys how that is done with my new channel called H2K Do It Yourself. The H2K Gaming channel will still go on, but it's going to be purely focused on gaming and whatever involves gaming or gaming hardware, like headsets or controllers or anything involved in gaming. And I'm not sure whether the YouTube studio stuff should go in the gaming section or the do-it-yourself channel, but we're gonna figure that out as we go. I'm definitely not gonna put a 3rd channel, but I mean, that's my vision. So anyways, hope you guys aren't too disappointed in that, because I know some of you guys have been following me through the gaming and the puppy stuff, and you know, the cooking and the desk builds. So whatever I did on YouTube, I put it into one channel, kind of like PewDiePie. So I'm gonna stick with 2 channels, the gaming side and the do-it-yourself side. And I hope you guys are okay with that. And also, I want to let you guys know that I read the comments daily. I am always reading your comments, good or bad. For the mean comments, I read them anyways, but I don't let them get me down. You know, the mean comments are mean comments, and I have nothing bad to say about those comments. I mean, if you aren't happy with my video, then hey, you're not happy with the video, and that's totally fine. You're allowed to be upset with the kind of content that I put out. But don't forget that this is free content, and whatever I put out, don't forget that it's someone taking their own time, not getting paid to do so, and putting that content out there. So good or bad, just remember that. Another good example is these paintings back here. I mean, I actually recorded myself setting up the RBGs and setting up the drum set and setting up everything in the studio, and I didn't post it because I didn't want to interfere with the gaming channel. So anyways, obviously the H2K Gaming is going to be less daily, but there's going to be a new channel, and I hope you guys follow both channels. And if you don't want to see anything about the gaming channel, perfect, you can go over to my H2K do it yourself, where it's more everyday lifestyle. And for those of you who are the hardcore gamers that just want to watch the gaming stuff because you want to have fun and you're a gamer and you just want to see gaming content, perfect, watch my gaming channel. That's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'm H2K. I hope I see you soon on my 2 channels. Stay safe. Peace out. So someone said to play around with the lighting because I look kind of yellow, which is really true. The more I look at it, the more I'm like, wait, I'm super yellow. Oh, there you go. Not as yellow anymore. Maybe add a little bit more lighting on this side. There you go. That's a little bit better. Anyways,